Okay, hello, welcome to part 2 of my Bristol video. I had to stop the video because of my storage space. I now have 17 minutes left, and we have the third HST of this 2-part episode. 43,170. Castle. So yeah, I'll see you on the next train that arrives at the parts. Now departing is 43,170, Chepstow Castle. Third HST we've seen. Oh, that's already said that, haven't I? Yes, I would. I would do. Yes, I have. And on the rear is 43187 in the Welshman livery. So see you on the next train arrives at the parts. Okay, now departing is 166. That's been there for a while now, an hour and a bit. Off that goes there to Bristol. Well, I don't know where that's going to. But just there, that Voyager is my ride home to Cheltenham Spa, which is leaving in 10 minutes-ish. So I'm going to try and get at least a 5-minute video in part 2. But yeah, I'll see you in the next train arrives at the parts. Okay, now arriving in is a Great Western Railway 166, which in this part I will record, because I have enough space. 166209. So yet again, that is my train out of here. 220,007. It's leaving in 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm ending the video on board the train. It's not 5 minutes long yet, but I will end the video on the train, so I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.